So for na for be kai a e den na nse ko ne nan ye video ni audios be trendy on social media na so a I think say a producer na ho him react fa ho nank me person ka you betumi abubo audios any videos wo hanom but ye nya technical problem bi se sie ya I am yankasa me nwa I am nwa pa Prisla mami also share be free Saudi Arabia Yankopon shira bebre bo modi na share link ni sisia na ye motototo ni ni nkomo bi sisia ye monitototo ni ni nkomo bi sisia ifa akwanya so tia Ghana mpanimfo ATM ni ye hwe me police for mpanimfo IGP me chia wan numeri urumai euradi shira no wanya okese chia director of CID euradi shira urumai no CID fo nyina euradi nya obi akese onka obi a me ye ni nkomo numeri ye monitototo abusuafo menu ka say audio da bontin ni nyina ye abrante ye friend Andy na Andy kokopie wo konfo grada aso ye na menim meeting kro mo kwa akoye de menim di arrange meeting no na menim agenda na time meeting na chi ni nyina nso mkokohia ai sofo ye friend Andy sofo ye friend Manasi the word changer one abrantia your friend Dominic. You see, I was so evangelist. Any okonfo agrada, e dini bi kika ho. Na me yad my bed drop ni nyina. Tanko fo ni ko hia ya omo ye meeting na meeting no mo ye no. I think say nsem wo mo kan ye de. Nsem na no de ye pa. We be say one na kasa nsem no so for your friend Andy. Aye nyina ye nim so so for kokoye wote Ghana ha. One was moving one chance moving canasem or discard to Ghana and Pedinfo, one of the service what 20 penny na so one in an enam. Now, or software the canning someone and somebody what cabipa, what can some serious. What burn some so one what can some guha, with Musa some non worshipper, Nina said, one on the master no one in a namano. The master one in year to my nasa, the master one in a namano. Those days no to be called Vienna City kofa ashelf one ma ekokumo mo otimi ne master ne call Vienna City kofa ashelf one ma ekokumo mo unti asema America no one ne master ne timi call Vienna City kofa ashelf one ma ekokumo mo omo kofa ashelf one ma ekokumo mo and common young comobia, I think, say, Macassa, and the share that ye boosting can as who bony team so for catch that grada. Utimusa a bonia, a cosso, a bonia, a sea, a bonia, or my ye. Now, Sir Andy, one in a squad, Utimusa, Sir Woody even crown 2,000 Ghana city. That or more, or my set a corinsa for. Sabe previous wako krofu from we che korinsa ni na open information free kromu ho oto ensa wan si the man one was start no obronsam no kansam no obronsam no kansam e bi ene ne esi ya na se endi ye no endi video ana se ni audio wa ya beto abonte che so opagana fo che wonsam o kan ya na grada na free no so wo man 10,000 na omom plane en kansam bi nwo osofo no so Omon plan and cancer bintia and soft one. And somebody what can be a lot. What can somebody be in some what can you be? Bonnie or my dear, and Yamo my yet to say, what can somebody and Sacran Wababa Castle no with me call Vienna City, Echo for Nipa Kukuno. A very bad pa. Asemia Branti and a Kaya Asembia. Ghana for dream my omona because audio minim the audio no ba bonten minim the oliki audio no minim the odi audio no beto abonten but say osha audio ne buy na started the pressure ma brantia your friend Andy I started the pressure ma brantia your friend Andy eti na nua me ankasa me wo fa me nua pani otunoko ni abrantia ne kasai no person wo ye damage control e fa asam no but in damage control ni sabe ye te Ghana ye nya etimi fo ye nya nkwase yafo asem Andy beka tre otunoko ni se Konfo Agrada na frɛ no sɛ ɔmra na ɔmon plane na ɔmon kansɛm yi ngu ɔsɔfoɔ no so me no ka sɛ Manase so ababɔnte abɛdropo audio ɛtrɛ sɛ ɛyɛ mumu endi woni Dominic ne frɛ no sɛ mo pɛsɛ mo bɛsi koko hu Konfo Agrada na nsɛm bi kɔso a mo hia sɛ mo ka kyerɛ no ɛna nso anrenji Konfo Agrada na wɔde mo nyina mo yɛ dai wɔde mo nyina mo kɔɔyɛ atrɛ sɛ nya Agrada mpo na yɛ dai ɛfrɛ mo but mumu na mo yɛ dai mo kɔɔyɛ endi kasa no wɔse no wɔkɔ Konfo Agrada camp akɔ information because Agrada yɛ ne tamfo into okɔpɛ information and into no kɔkeka saa nsɛm no asɛm na endi kan I think sɛ ɛmpa mu mame asɛm na endi kan ɛmpa mu mame what I say obi a wakɔ wo tamfo camp a oso kɔpɛ information afred ya wo boss na ne ntu kɔpɛ information no ne ho nsɛm na wo de kɔ na sabi endi o kasa no oso boss ne kɔte so wa sɛ even kɔ wɔ toilet a ɔmo di paper ma no ne kɔte a platform te sɛ sabi playe etu ɔmo de your friends say paper ma no na ɔde asɛw na ɔde ne kɔte na yɛ dai ato so a paper na to obi na ka kyerɛ sɛ kɔka endi sa damage control we na wo sofo ne se ye no never anya adwuma Ghana ha this a time at Ghana Police Service me man up to Nyankopon yard ma Wednesday mo ba che sofo na ma che na kola endi aka ho enya sa metro petition akoma IGP metro petition akoma director of CID because we nsem de me ka meye me maye bi da enti meye osofo te Ghana ha ye ntimi nkana sam osofo te Ghana ha ye monitor so every day on ye di nipakum taage no etimi bisa masam o ye wo asofo akesefo wo Ghana ha ma sabe ebi dibre ebi position egwani Moses asofo we bebre na asofo we kura de no wo on ye kasa o ani anu dwa kumase fuo suban oni hwe but obi amfa sabe osofo wo suban kwate Ghana ha yemfa murder case enko taage no opambo te Ghana ha yemfa murder case enko taage no your friend say osofo bani ko bi te Ghana ha yen taage with murder case ye wasofo kesefo Lawrence te Ghana ha Ransford obi te Ghana ha Sankranchankra te Ghana ha Bishop Selfo mo akomu na te Ghana ha yen taage wo mo with murder case. You understand? But why say nipa baako? And now yeso wa yesay. Watena yeso wa yesay. Ade ye yeso wa yesay. But Ghana Police Service entimen peke sa abrantie we enkonko investigate no. Na yete Ghana ha na wesu wakum nipa, watena wesu wakum nipa. Entimo twa ma niema dinsamu. Sa nya motena Ghana ha ye nhwe ha hwe Konfo Agrada ma afede e niema dinsamu wiye no. Afei waiting a toda me ka Ghana Police Service asem no ho yate Ghana ma me ka asem nkyerɛ mo obi akwa akonum wi komo wi keke wi ni kwa wa num ni fie o okokɔ hye aban mu baabi bola so baabi no wo hye wi no yakwa akɔkye na jeli no 10 years 15 years obi akwa akɔwi sabe mpura du yasa atosode bibi te sɛ bɔde bibi te sɛ banti bibi te sɛ bayire just ba ko pɛ yate na kwa akɔdeli 5 years minima branch bi anasa su kon mu akola bi asabe wo dancer wo ma me no kasa yi onya even 18 years yeso akwa ko wiya dokun ra bi 20 Ghana city police fo timi tie no e de court e ko jail no more than 3 years ya te Ghana ha won ye wo mo emrat mi pick wo mo ye wo mo emrat mi no wo mo di ye wo mo emrat mi no wo mo ka ene ye wo mo emra ne favor wo mo ebi tsemi hia ni eti sami ya metie wo hu ahi ma mento bombu sesi ankoka asem bia sabe ye no kure pa o ye no kure pa batu behu ade ye nte police fo ye ba frame sesi na wo ahi ye hia wo central ye hia wo ha bra ne be yi wa no meti national TV so ye program police fo ba be che me you understand police for baba chain and there was soft wendy te Ghana has one in the paymaster one in the boss no to be called Vienna City e kwa chimma be kum wo mo but police will be a near good said the entry and entry Mumpuakra Ghana police for be a sabi ye disicate ye disabi in Prediasa ye dear yefunatin to because of womanty ye near 20 years from the Ghana. What did I mention? I say ye near to talk Ghana was off what Ghana animal the year 2019 will be so green no me was sabi a blue was sorry them a court central police station not crime officer at me in a docket and the ato your friend say me who the way I'm missing car your friend say ni who oh what did docket ready at the table was also from Mobi Konum we was sorry them move I will good the whole nation will good Ghana will good even your symbol na your black star na that your flag no good anymore say what me mo bia so we and no more sorry them but never ya kashi crime officer the time come remember be bold the be won what central police station what me di docket no so for the docket no what di docket no and now dia pa ba bi na dia dey and now dia to say ehun hihia we know ka so for wendi hwensema pia fia branche na numa ba awo no na sa ba bonten se ba ba ye tene se eyem kofo bi na hihye na ti so makeka sa nkwase asem no enkofo bi na hihye na ti eti no mo plan no mo ye rehearsals otonyom no akoye rehearsals na sabi so obi so oflo sabi da betwa atrobu obi so anka wuri kan ya rehearsals ofie na wo de akọ eti atura na sabi meeting na mo ye tia nkofo bi anumu nsem ni ye ene nsem akase we si etimi kọ Vienna City kọ chidipa ekokum wo mo na we se Ghana Police Service te Ghana hare bia night Ghana hare your friend say police te Ghana hare CID te Ghana hare eti we dia Mr. Hopes na doye wu ya na Mr. Hopes na doye I respect you a lot but how would you read your own tea one about Canada Japan how would you read your own tea Ghana mpanimfo mutiem na motwa IGP ni mpanimfo ntimi seremo ni die mukasa this how would you monte director of CID mi seremo mi bi some question o sa audio we ntisa me some monte you some question so obi so makum nipa obi so mutimi ko Vienna City ko fa nipa be kum ho mabumani aguso mayimoni sese eno de hu hia mo eye sabi mpredi yesa obi na kokonto kwa keka kama kwa kwache no kama nda kugina court ada na mugumra da ni mo asesa ada na mo mamra ne nya adwuma sa ada na mugumra ni mo asesa we de me na hu ahinyam na mkoye investigation yo ana me de ba bonten ono ankasa na kwala sabi wato aduane ama na dipan ono ankasa na kwala sabi wato atade ama na hyepen ono ankasa na kwala wa ma ne ka atra mu pen ana de nsem ya ba bonten ono na kwala wu na timie edi nsem bu enyina ba bonten ena brante we asa ba bonten ba be deny say o pagana fo chew o pagana fo chew so obi na wakum no obi di sia sabi wakum no eni yenyan fanche wa na say ensem na be ka kire Ghana fo no eni yenyan fanche no sabi Ghana ni be na ba wanum Ghana ni be na ba wanum be ka kire o say brada be ka sei ne sabe ye U10 how dare you o ka sei ni me ye Ghana ha won etoda o ka Ghana so fo obi asem aya na obi nte wase aya na obi no wonya adwene boni nkomre nyina boni mu akese boni mu atele atututwe ne apipipie nyina da Ghana sofo obi ena edi saa pone no ebi ne ne asi na me no kasai wa sofo atimi yakọ Vienna City akọ sabe police obi asawo ni ba ade akọ ye duro akọ kunu de akọ ni nyan komade ade pesika ti Ghana are we safe as a country are we safe as a nation Mibisa question. Mibisa. Osofo we di sabi na nia bono hosafo ne te Ghana anomo. Ana ya te Ghana anomo so konfo agana na edidi obi atem. Ana mkokwache no. Eti sabi saade we na esie police fo ntimonte ye. Bibisa question. It won't tell you now. Or so for your friend Andy was one in the paymaster. Echo Tio Barbesia of Vienna City. Echo Kumudenti and Yamonte. And your moon who ye. Bibisa question. But I grant that the Mutimico Quatin or bonnet charges. Mutimico Chain or prepare charges against her. But why? So software the Mutimico Quatin. May cast some we have to Ghana for penny from Mutim Namoshame. Or software we say. Ne bas na what the MPP government, you know. Ne bas na what the that mutia brand somebody back can wa because we are fed up. Ghana kwa ko ebi bitse sabe mpradu yasa. Se hiani emra ne to no anasa mra ne che no a. Eni ni di pepepe but sikani die emra no eni ni why? Maybe some question why? Bibisa Akagana police service yo madwuma yie pa no sabe omani mo madwuma yie a ka audio no honkom tie ye no ka waso obi ani di wo audio mu bi omo che no omo peke no ye hu de kofa sa nkomo ne baaye ye hu de kofa sa nkomo ne de baaye ka waso mutimi peke omo nyina da ye hu de kofa sa nkomo ne de baaye because abrante ne ba bonten no obetre so mo ye rehearsals even can agrada na frɛ mo but no ka say audio ketam se se etre say eye mumu mienu wo Dominic wo ne your friend say endi na mo frɛ Manase o tase mo frɛ Manase ka tren sam pasam ni agrada asia na mo nsɛm bia wasam ka kyerɛ no ene won so fam no de mo kɔ agrada ho why say na de obetwa atro obedi atro besesa wano se na mo kɔbɔpɔ ede e pɔ na mo kɔbɔ sani ye rehearsals o to nyom we are Selina Boateng and now we are Joyce Blessing we are Bob Melly and now we are Daddy Lumba fresh guy because sani ye rehearsals fresh boy because sani ye rehearsals mo te Ghana di boni mo di Ghana ayensamfo na de ne ho ya me kura ye sa osofo no na wose ye nka na asem o Ghana ha no osofo kwa wi brawi te se Ghana de wo de obi ayenkoa Ghana or the Obia Aqua Ghana just young and quadman. O can I say, ye? They don't do police, and that's what we call your friend say court. You will more no. Now this time around, would dear grow, But show a 2 woman and the actual generation between your at away. When at this time around, you what you saw the police and as a court ever stop your Ghana, Miss Wong, soon, but there were 2 woman and come the actual surgeon. Because what do Boniate? I told them now come as a man. I am no BCO Nana Wing, O Casado, Nana Wing Jaomo, Nana Wing Casado. Mimi no man and tepe, minimum munina. And in some walk I cried a kit, some can someone. And someone met to me a cannon, someone met to me a Bruce one. Was off what to gather her money pandas and you couldn't be, was sorry them. Was off what to gather her. I am not better social media and some don't joke with law and as war, but you are joking with law. Person be dim diagro, but would him diagro. And Mraben says so the movie we were for them. Maybe some question. And Mrabai. Maybe some question. You know, and Mrabai. Ne tell so be mo bia kono wi wo so na ba betena se osofo ne wadani social media blogger osofo by force blogger osofo wadani social media blogger osofo wutim betena social media beka se ye di obi yire wo trogo so wo timi anya sabe audacity and authority ene na mo man we se mu diri ba se obi ya to ne pefi e koba ye nya wo hwe wo ye wicked mind say you crowd sabe comfort grada. I am telling you. I am yes, I grada so le obu nkofo oye wenum say magia to magrada or ya zan or ya kromfo or ya thief by wasofo ni wicked move wicked si agrada wicked ben say so be ko Vienna city kwa fa sabe ashawo ni ba kwa kuku no. Ibi some question wicked men say sabi wasofo obemu obia no wi wa so dem wasofo te Ghana hanom sole ana no kabe di matem kasa rough say even kwa wona machi wasofo te Ghana ha yet say Ghana ye ne dia wo de boni na adwane afri kuma say baba trankran ha ye ka wasema wo se ye nka ye botem so wo se ye mo na medonyame o hata we de tamokamo ade bia wo na gira so ade bia wo na isi so aposo wo be jem agrada atigan hatra Ghana ha try TV so te say we no control you be president what's the wadjo what the force was assassin and also your evangelist agrada atigan ha agrada atigan ha try TV so because when the control even your friend is vice president me no kasenne by force yakona ninti now they atigan Ghana ha for when you born once for him na ya what to say ya wona Ghana ya wodia wona Ghana ya wodia na Ghana ya wodia kwa agrada hono wonkyere wunyansa no wonkyere wiase brane hu wona menkyere wunyansa na menkyere wiase de ma famu anasa agrada afamu wonni mo soro wase da de han wodi pataku nwoma dua ho no wase da de enwa fita akata wanim betra social media no so be ya what to say sabe wona wo ye papa ana nwoma wona wo ye papa enso bone nkomra nyina da wo na wodi no Ghana ha bone nkomra nyina na wo na so ya kan wo me yanka ya counsel me yanka osofo ene wadane social media osofo ene wadane social media blogger so ya uti social media wonim se ni pado wo hu me se da time come on wan kasa de befa wani so no obadwene ho awon ti ase da ye de se mama ya ti ya nti ye ne ya ne emoja na fa me wotim ya me kwa asabe me nko ka ho meba but no credit wo ye den meba be kan akyere no credit wo ye den meba be kan akyere we de enya ohu ahi ne koye investigation wo ba bia de ba yo ono ane sofo the software your friend Andy osofo Andy so woni ni pay master omakum nipa omako Vienna City ene ko fa nipa ne bekum no omako Vienna City ene ko fa oba ne bekum no yet the same Ghana hana manase kwatena na 2 TV na 2 TV o na 2 TV ene wo se Ben York akum nipa no okum nipa no ogina ho nsem we nyina Ghana fo police for mante national security ante BNI for ante maybe some question but I me hu hina nka me ka asem bia sabe enya kama freme mu invite me kama the police police ka dimati the sabe anroba wa kokro no ba me ye chesi no what is a metro na sin was so 40 Ghana hadie bia wo ye bia anye was so ye wa kali na dem tire nyam sompa wo ye ne ho so won na ye innocent but bonen kwame na so sabrantie we wo Ghana ha Ghana ya chiase ne fombo nyina gina sabrantie yi so wo ye de bonani what Ghana ha bonen kwame nyina so won ni tiri so onkwa na ye so fo wo Ghana ha and now we see the nipakuma tagyo what say the nipakuma tagyo ade say the nipakuma tagyo and here for na ultimate police chase wo mo and here for na ultimate court people chase wo mo but why maybe some question maybe some you man just answer my question what Ghana ha o see en kan wasem ye ma o chem so utimi mo obi num wiwa so dem yanka ho asem wo sofo wo na sabe mpredu ya sam utimi di obi tina ho na wo huru wanim figu ne so opa ya senti wo na sabe wote Ghana ha no mo wote Ghana ha etimi di hanki kaka obi ya he no so wo boni deliverance na deliverance time be no deliverance for be no we deliverance papa deliverance free him ye masa wonye sofo jaina me sofo na me reverend masa omo desade we be yom na be yom o untimi fasade we mewura na me kingdom o come tia wo just a seconds I am telling you matia wo just a seconds what Ghana nti wonya ya wudie kakra sa wudie ne doso Unya ya wudie kakra so ma wudie na dwala wododo. Ena nti we bodi otra ye bodi ade ete ye bodi na mi bisa me question se nti sa wosofo we wosisi wo bi ni mu ana. Onso nsi wo bi ni. Oso sin agrada. Onso nsi agrada. Me bisa me question. Me hu hu e woso sin me ana. It is a mutimi masabe me hu ahi yetimi batimi kotum yetimi kwati agrada kotum yeti obi nim kotum yeti nkofo bi asabe yenye bone ne yenye masa hey why Ghana police inti die koso mu patre mu hu ya na wasofo na nkasa kola wonene na bababonten abe confess niema se an wo mu kofie na city na ekoti nipa be kuno wo mu kofie na city na ekope nipa be kuno etubu patre se monte ya na Ghana police me be some question osofo te Ghana hanim se woni sika to nipa bia woni sika to bia babia woni sika to bia wa Ghana the open warrior obetra social media nso ahani twene na homa so ahantan hunhum bia ya na wonimu ayawo obetra social media nso ayawo nhwe wonimu ahu aya na nhwe wonimu obetra so wonimu nyina ye moja wonimu nyina ye pipiripie na odi so wosi so look like useless aimless obi an hu nim faso because we stubborn boy we a notorious pastor. You need to be arrested. I am telling you, bro. From say you and your maka, we here see a chill. You investigate you. We here see a chill. You investigate you. We here see a chill. You question. Ada yante Ghana ha. Eti police will be kroma who say oma will be no we were for them. Maybe sir. Police will be kroma oma who so mo be no enu we were so. Mama frame no munya dem mo yan mama frame no munya. Munya na saade na yaya mo dedodo munya na saade na yaya mo de afi no aba so share the link nyem fire share link nyem fire wasofo te Ghana ha wodi nani abone ho safo hene 24/7 wasofo te Ghana ha o ena wodi nani abone ho safo hene de obeka bia so betimi abeyi ana wonim se na no ate wonim se wonim kasa wonim se wonim nyansa wonim se sebe eba woni betimi aba abeyi ana osofo te Ghana adan no odifo trofo osofo trofo osofo won kan kre ade bi obeka bi obetumi aba be yia no asem bi obeka bi aba be yia no osofo won kan kre azan osofo oton apo asore dem ton calendar ton yesu moja ton abonsamfo nku sole didwa kese wasore dem wasofo te Ghana ha wo sole ya sebe wo na wo ya ho sa wo de wotene wo ya ho sa de wotene wasofo shatawale wasofo asase aban satre usuban na Yesu Kristo ba wan hwe yi a ensema nkofo kato so nkofo kabu so no da kru bi be ya woda boni wasofo wan satre wadena da bi kru bi be ya woda boni adale wododo enna wesu wakum nipa wotena wesu wakum nipa ni nyina so timi ba bonten na ma menkan osofo so le obetra social media me akokoba kura mi ntimi nkono wan na ekokum nipa obetra bo na nim se me kokum nipa wan na ekodi ye obetra bo na nim se me kodi yewu ana wan na ekum nipa obetra social media be kasa makum nipa wan na se wodi yewu obetra social media kasa wodi yewu me bisa question obi enu wakum nipa obeba na charge obedi atum da ade se bodam ni obi agwagimie obi awoni nyansa ene be kum nipa obeka atere na obedi atum ena I am innocent so which innocent are you? Let me ask you a question. Which innocent are you? Ubetumi di wani matere so you innocent. Ubetumi di wani matere so you guilty. But in some way baby now you guilty. Now we innocent. We innocent ma Christ. We even innocent crown some must say Tainankas I was someone no. Osofo. Mo de mo pa mo ni atem stay be fire no. Obi ansuro bia. Osofo te Ghana han mo sori wadi na ni abon ho asafo hene. Ono ni pity about law, but ono ankasa wa from law no. O pity about law, but ono ankasa wa from law. O pity say one de wa the law na ye aduma but law no one no tie tie aso. Bibisa question was for. O respect loan and to me more be num you was for there. Emma crime officer was Central Police Station, Jedok at Newton table was say. Many on this case in Tonyame. We are papa say time bottom. Question Bishop Bottom, Mrs. Case, no, na bonum sa, Yamiadma. Tuesday, me better say, my boss, I may even call him, may ye police in Ukraine too. Police in Ukraine, me may in India too. Yeah, have a back. May ye sa police in India too. The entire police need to me come and take what we need in a court. Now the Omo be see we were for them. Near till do not get got 2 tables, you know. Me remember police in Ukraine. Why a crime officer, one man there cover me no millionaire, Yenina Sanase, why a godfather, me bonny dean, who dear what up, Barbara, me bonny dean, who dear bro, would you pay your fit, by your fit, would you pay your fit? Yet to Ghana Hanumo. Na me say asem we in your year. Yet to Ghana. Police in Yam Koyam case man last minute one on a air cover or no near 2 party, one on a table who did ye. Me will pictures in now. But the time will come, may refer to everybody because Munya Madre some Bamagan and Brana Yejuma and Bramonia Madre some Bamana Yejuma Mutietiam Rasso and a Mayam Rane Bassa. Mutietiam Rano so Mayam Rane Bassa, Mayam Rano and Brano nine. The council we asked them young Papa IGP. Unmai. This is the time our police are Jumano. I was so more because our police will be good anymore. Say, IGP. Unmai. Director of CID. Unmai. The Radin Sawa in the water. Who you my papa? Chai. This is the time I was some woman in that home because Mkofobi the Mudin, Kofobi yen ye maybe Tia Musumwase, and Kofobi yen ye maybe Tia Musumwase, and Kofobi yen ye maybe Tia Musumwase, Omudimudin, Edi Jessica, Omudimudin, Edi Jessica, Omudimudin, Jessica, Omudimudin, Jessica, Omudimudin, Jessica, Omudimudin, Jessica, where ye come at Yan Kotum. Ye are demo, Amati and Kotum. Yabako. This is the time of your mamma here to many yamra. Some red to meet you comfort gradas were did in part time of the year. Number that to meet in Kotuma, the year. And was some ready to meet this off because on a quala say, or more called Vienna City to Comunipa. Was one called Vienna City Cofasha when knee a baba becumuno, or some called Vienna City Cofasha when Niba, a babecumuno, or some called Vienna City Cofasha when Niba, a babecumuno, it more trained dear baby Bisagana police. Hopes and Adoya, Ulmai, to where they want tea, Yana. Whatever can Japan where they want tea when you your own. Quakwana, I may have my Tuesday, Makawasamoha. We a stubborn presenter, Papa, or Makawasamoha. Oh, presenter, what do you fun and now what do I know? We have fun and I'm what they call left and right, Nadia, but I may home and I'll be pesca. Mammy may no crab a damatro. So the actual war. The Cassia and Nam Quasso Bano, and Nam Quasso Ba. Cassia and Nam Quasso Bano Crano. I will be facing the crown. And you're big, a yipa of Prebesso kill. Cha. Sorry. What you say? Asemia was software kwada baba kana bontia yentiminka asiye de wada asiye de popop asiye de wada asema software kwala de beto bontia yentiminka as police for kwa anwan ada ya brantie na munim baabi asabe watia na asasai wasofo ni munim ni fie na muku ni kokobo mu didi ye no hwa man yen kansa mo wasofo nti munim ni fie penifo amutie munim wasofo ni fie munim ni fie de na monkora monkoma na so monko pejam monkora monko town because afedi na mra so ya wonkofo bi tigana ha bi asofo ebi ya konfo me say se motimi de okonfo agrada matwe na so amane de minansa atimi abefa Kristo de ya ene wo sa osofo we wo se konfo agrada akra de yemfa ni pakum to ni so yenka so wakum nipa but osofo we de en na we so wakum nipa wotena we so wakum nipa ade ya che we so wakum nipa asem si na police if won kokuro ni mon konko ye nhwehwemu ne ye ko hotel abrantie ne so ye nsa de ye koya hotel wura so wasofo no ye madamfo yet me adani asem ne seconds e putu asem no ati asem no Ghana han yetimi di asem ya di sika dani asem just a seconds because we have the bogus leaders. All our leaders are bogus. Emranya aduma. Se mranya aduma o Ghana han man kasa be se bia me kasa wanyomi entimi mfa o man ni sika nsa ne government no entwema nso enya ne tirimu ne di no onko ne baabi emranya aduma. What you say? Me say anyama ekoso o Ghana ha empanifo mayam adwesa monka mayam adwesa mo de mbesi hye no mo be koso ahye hye because mo de mo yafunu nam mo de mo yafunu enenam mo yafunu na mo de ko na mo de ba mo yafunu hu hia esene wo man no osofo ne timi fafun me kai time na me ni issue ne koso wo your friend say time na me won next TV na me ye program na me ni case ne koso no na wa ye complain no what they akoma one of Mr. Oti Prempe or regional police headquarters na wa ka tren say chairman kwena kwache no memo wasere no sika sen wa de ma no o ti ase o ka tren Mr. Oti Prempe hello officer bacho mawie mi case bi o go and arrest mu eyi memo wasere officer ni na phone say no wasere no say how some akwati wo hi innocent ya pese ye free obi o Ghana ha say innocent and me mom na wasi ye free innocent because I am innocent person. So when him say ND this is the time I was on me kwachi ND because when me ati chinkofo bi asebe omo ye innocent people. Oti ase omo ye innocent wa me yatechi wo mo wa ye omo bone abra mo ye innocent. You call yourself as an innocent man o from so ye innocent ye omo me no Satan de ani bi anase Nyankopon de ani bi say Satan de ani bi de ani mama o innocent but say Nyankopon de ani bi de ani edi am de be from so we guilty man we guilty what do you what the boniate a brasso say that twinen krante also a bread say that this 30 year na djuma also Ghana obi so be kan wasem because when him say what kan wasem by all me super ko formatos wa me ya be attack no obebo pa na to wudini bianse wasa abrante we what Ghana fa Ghana abobo te say Ghana ya odia what Ghana usu obi kan wasem what Ghana wo ye wadwen se wadwen so na akwakwa na afi na wo ye video no wo ye audio be bo hu edi wo unya mo di eye I support the pastor eye on fanya wo obi ti Ghana hana me innocent do you understand the meaning of innocent? Are you innocent? Are you sure you are innocent? We innocent what? Mibisa question. Obi ti Ghana ha I am not guilty. Call me. I am innocent. Innocent my fault. Innocent sabi prayer ya mosolia poni na mudi Ghana ha. You call yourself innocent because you know there way no underground. So you call yourself innocent. Oba friend who say you innocent. Oba friend who say you guilty because you nim there way no Ghana ha. They can be the year 2019. Nani pabi nim se no kure be wo baby. Kwakwa na ba gigina mu be di matem on 2 TV. Di matem kra to the sense even kra na some ya boa. Na me ye din na me kwaku. Na me ya go play that video. Tuesday me go play that video. Tuesday can me go play that video. Oda see. Na kwakwa na din to kwa gina mu me ni osofo issue yi wade agina mu na so kwa nan to bo ase o na sabi edua kwa nan se kofuru ye bu ni ba ebu ni free so man ba to fom a owu ye no inte kuma nkwatena se ntonko kwaku efie ni me na makomu awade ye pan yo na minim ni ye koso o kwaku to bo ase kwaku se da ontie because ya promise no 1.5 billion of what metra ya promise kwaku na 1.5 billion and those days na kwaku na platform so all you so against me who but now Kwekwanan is mentioning my name. He is mentioning my name. Say, who he kura minini benyan tokwa, minini benyan tawa because of what kwajisi kebe defend ya diye no kre. E tu sabe no kra mo na be yen kontompo. O hu die nyame ayew. Kwekwanan. Who are you sumi di pesika? Na sana oti olumai. Na me respect o pa o. Na me respect o papa but I don't know say we is stomach presenter ankasa. We is stomach presenter kwa nai. We is stomach presenter. O kwaji 1.5 billion. 1.5 billion. Afe na we tete scan ketenkete. Onya tete na ketenkete. O ka de onyame na nyame na aboa na tese wa ma obie. Awanya wa ba betena na 2 TV ba be ye brabra da bia na wo ya wo so onim kasa. Ari wo me de ma duma me di wa Ghana ha no mo kwa nan me di an wa bo no wo mahu se na me ka no kure na wo di nkontom pa ba sa asem kwa nan wo de twen na de me de ba no ano odin ano hye sa wo me kwa investigate kwa nan ma me ka sa mo tro me ko tap kura de ali bo kwa investigation me free kuro no mu beduru ye ni 3 days time ena nipa na ma me na owu ye na busunyafo frem say na tufo abaha no before na ukwakuwa na wa frem phone so bisa me say o na ho yi yes so di na tufo kura di akwa investigation e wata kura di elibo and I say how say me di your friend say na tu di ekoye investigation wa bra TV station amete so and as a platform amete so is the same as na tu TV so why say me ko use your friend say na two TV akwa investigation no because of stomach the obedinti stomach presenter yehu na wo ni software na ma na de wutimi free software so what confirm na de jaa no obejaa because of sika wade free wonti business be na sabe ya yentie sika to business account but yes me anu akwaje sia me ha even you don't know your job, you don't know your duty, you call yourself investigator journalist, but you don't know your job, you don't know your duty, but you call yourself investigator journalist. How? Good journalism work anymore. Good journalism work anymore. And now the above antenna, where the Mekautia, and now the above antenna, where the Mekautia. Maybe I some will become a you. Let me charge my phone. Let me plug the phone. Me will become me your friend say, journalism. Me your blogger. What I say? Now what to me as sorry, aqua soft for the hole, aqua Jessica semi investigation. Now I can't one of the year. Oka sa nkwa na kwaku kom de we nyina kom de yo but ya tire yam si ye akwantena pe awurade ya tire yam si ye si ye be ma no kra ye adwuma iti sabe wuntimi konkwa jisika medane me ma to no kra ena de obo mi di kwaku anan wunya mi din odi me bo be ma me me si kwaku anan odi me bo be ma me pen odi me bo be ma me ensema wo ni sofo ni ntemo and some one is off one in time. The bell was somebody big go up on take baby say, "Hey, now where you go find some way. And here now where you got this and some way. I bet shock you. You call yourself investigator journalist to say, and now over Trasana, me want a company, me want a private company. Or private company now we will be called this cow to your friend say, what business account move from now. Now some way okay, where are you okay? Are you okay? Kwaku asem we awo kan ti ko wanum bibisa question asem we ya wa wo kantie ye ma say oni ni koye business now police for to Ghana na usa am so koye investigation me na akwa ye investigation me na bibisa akwa ye afa na obomdi kwa na ya fa de ubomdi afena abomidi wa nyaade ekro wa ni no kre ogu platform na otisu nanimu aso wo wa nyaade ekra sa na open news dia ko expose sofo ena de ono na kola so ne ko bi na city kokum depend ko de ko fo beto na tu ne bebo una o kan sema dia akra una onim nsam ka una pan open sema kese aka wo te Ghana so bone so what Ghana so bone so de wonim so so ye wa fa obi nim asem na watake obi nim na watake obi nim na watake obi nim na nim afo so fo ne usuro nse udi agro be me du bone to usuro so kwaku osofo ni se usuro no usura ede ne nkọ ne se ne ya me ne kọ uni bibia de bo ho ba even kwa ko pedro we your friend say yi a your friend say oh ekuro we be o sori a odi sika ko manage VIP ba say yem fa kwaje ne mamro nyame ni mo kwaku wo ba betumi me no kura gu amana ma be dia atro man Ghana wodi mi reputation di agro wodi mi reputation di agro the year 2020 last year which is last year the fans so bebree mu even a koya kokodu say some young kasa boys am no mu nam ni obi adwane because yenam atroso akama to form ye discuss some no kra meka ena de kwakwa na wo dan aka kwaku onim so obi timi do kama akodan me bisa question kwakwa nan utimi unu say obi do kento kodan ka adwuma be na wo ye investigation akoye we had more cyber crime we had more CID we had more BNI we had more national security brother be ma no na watimi akwa disika adi mi reputation ba be diagro answer ha kwakwa nan emfa wi asi ni agro the wi asi wudi ni diagro do be diagro na wo probably na kwa diagro na kwa business o be bisa me hu ahima me nkyerɛ wo o me bisa me hu ahima me nkyerɛ wo ana wo nam na wo ni nkofo ye entitama na wo attack me last year na say na wa diska what's why expose you nyankopon na expose you obe continue expose you time anas di video beto abonten anas di video beto abonten anas di video beto abonten na wo claim say wo de waje o mo de ba beje disika papa ne defend ya de ye no kre disika papa ne defend ya de ye no kre ko disika boni enko defend ya tro e basa last minute ube sun topa ube sun ani ase ni suo ube sun ani ase ni suo o sori a baby e ho den na wonam because when your platform and the two platform did you open out there here you open out there you di jisika say me ne koye business dia business na koye business be na ne koye be bisa question what type of business ana ne koye me ma koye investigation me fro na odi ni pakubu mechi ana mko dane nkofo bi abdene kwake kansem bi ensem wonwunan ensem basa enare wa babonte so osofo ne de woka chase no go and chase him go and chase him mum pano kre de mo bedie mano na mo sori a presenters ni journalists from sori a mo de mano ne na mano ni mo yefunu na mo de nam she mo moni na ho na mo mani ana ho wiase na so but wan hwe ya wunkom wiase so but wan hwe ya wunkom wanya platform to send the 2TV nka fire the papa obi abeba betra so baba attack ni bia na chese opeska di won ho obi abeba betra so baba attack ni boni din say what attack ni biara obi nim say wa attack abranti attack na obi nim wa attack ni sa because obi nim ni tiri mo de ontua to be attacking but we be yidi ama wa last minute only be konto kwa na so ya follow no o follow ade ye bone o support ade ye bone na we ma kwa nan o support ade ye bone o te Ghana so o pe Ghana nkanko ye te Ghana ha expose us of the year 2020 no na o te Ghana ha e de aduma ne hu didi na o di pesca wa sofo ho na o sa na ye tena wi ase ye o de udidi na komo ne ye mebo a na o attack me. Who attacked me last year because of me cannot cry. Over TV this one, you win him. Wow, me name the entire we are here so Juma because who deserves over the biggest platform like Net 2 TV. You don't deserve it. So about so. I am telling you today. Who deserves over Net 2 because what go when you say. And now, so go when you say. On advice you. Sabra never cast or suffer only koye business. Now only koye business no. Ghana ni be na bona money, but ne dey here Ghana for support. Videos now but for suffer no nyina. We have say old videos. We have say old videos. It only boss. One abu kele Japan mo boss audio videos no. Nam say old videos. Nam say old videos. But anene mo who say suffer on the way of Ghana and enye. Eye onko so nyame support no onye moti Ghana ha de osofo ne ye mi bisam question tina bonim sanye ene na de wu kwakwa na obebo ne videos o TV ne so na o da na start bo osofo ne videos since last year 2020 start say expose osofo ampaye twa osofo bi so bo tuo osofo bi tse ye friend say Badu Kobi osofo bi tse obi nim Ben York nipa bebre obubo mu nyina di wo TV ni so but why now why now ade na ese ade na aba chese sikatue bia nko ba biye na re wa betra si bebom di hu ahimenya odan hu ahimenya odan kwakwanan na menka sam nkyerɛw adwuma no ye yatew but ye ba bi ye wura mu ye fa ye nsa ne ye besi adwuma we mu no enye easy ano ɔden ano ɔhye tie wontimi mbregi ye down o bregi ye down na wo sabi wo di aba be ye o bregi ye down na wo di aba be sorry how entimi nya possible masa entimi nya possible da yet Ghana here expose last year now they won say last year na lockdown ni dem wo mu a ekufo adu amaya nyina ye call lockdown oso obi ankwahye dem say na onam na wuji sika investigation man kofo e say de wo CID ni on say bu abo wo si dua mu makwakuo aba nuwa wasi so si dua mu makwakuo aba nuwa wasi ono osofo ko ye business na nkotu ye scanning nyina de ma wanka ba betra bonche ba expose no ono osofo ko ye business ene ye ma ba ka ba betra se ba expose no but anya ye ama etu ba expose no o ba body old videos you don't understand the meaning of expose right kwa nai so person expose obi a yan kan tire nipa no so what information bia obehunu na wuso e metrase metretin ne trese wo hia bibi wo no ho hwe no ka so so funu esmo team ye ni etimi no osofo no ye ni etimi di ma twa na ti o na wo nya wo kwakwa nan on ti case two obisa question say why now kwakwa nine why now from since 2020 no what me atena ho no ma abapem samra afa na wo ba be old videos afa na abebo anaka say yankola na say yajimi yana kwakwa na one try cry. Let me go back to the pastor. Now also for what the guy I would dear coach you call the man you the good so ya carton so. Also for what the guy how I would dear coach you call the man you know no so near carton. But there when you know better social media no so no cancer. Now me adma Tuesday me put videos bi wa ha. Me put audios bi wa ha. Now me adma Tuesday coming. And you must by 5 o'clock no matter. What I say? And you must by 5 o'clock no matter. Me put videos bi wa ha. Me put audios bi wa ha. Police for someone tell ya branti and mon kwache no. One na call na your friend Andy no one so nsemra. Osofo na mo so no so Ghana and one so nsemra. Mon koda mon kwache no. Ayamoyalmo so uhuhi na menimo ofo uhuhi na menimo ofo uhuhi na menimo ofo timo ya na mo tata me no wakra mo te Ghana ha mo so le mo yafunu kwa na jibi fanche na mo so mo jibi fanche Tiasa Ghana hamu omo a tese yikiteska mo sori am cover omo osofo na fedie na kola your friend Andy Samuntia. Let me repeat the name called osofo your friend Andy. Osofo your friend Andy. Waso mko Vienna City kwa chini pa bekuno di beye nyankoma de omko Vienna City kwa chini pa di ne beye niema omko Vienna City na kwa chini pa di ne bedi ewu Timonteye, unkantrem sa monteye. Osofo sole ya wate Ghana na kuro no dwuma ne nkwase ya dwuma. Entafre dwuma nko a. Osofo wate Ghana. Sole ya betre social media no odi atem. Osofo wate Ghana sole ya betre national TV no kan kwase yasem. Osofo ne timi di nkofo yira no matem, di nkofo yire no ase di o matem, timi tre o mo edu o mo trogo so. Timitra o masebe sebe o munye o mensi so o mukruta fre o mase but yet Ghana has so san kofo we so bogus leaders. Yes, bogus leaders muti Ghana ha yenhwe ha muti Ghana ha yenhwe ha na kwakwa na ni susu di bi namfa kwakwa nan Just where did Diego wanna book Kennedy Japan? Wanna book Kennedy Japan? Na count where did Diego fire ma and a pie? Wafuna adito no. Wafuna adito. Javo, my sorry, so I think say your mom is signal same time na so. Na me had my Tuesday coming. You videos be a me born her, audios be a me born her. Na kasa kopim say bet you so for no. Ya tina kwala your friend Andy no. Because Ghana will be no so same ra Ghana ha. Ghana obi e hono masabe impredias wono de obetumi di ni sika atomra e wo Ghana ha se mra na edi wa na edi ide osofo na be report na kwala na me yakwa kwache no wate ne ho aka ho ana se ye betre police wo adwuma e wo so omoye no maye mote Ghana bone nko na mote Ghana ana mudi Mutigana na bonenko na mudi bonenko eye abusuafo mo amwo abrochire no mo amwo UK US Canada Australia na mo pesa mo na mekasa obetimi ya frame number 0549 37 77 50 0549 37 77 50 0549 37 77 50 obetumi afrɛ me na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ wo adwenkyerɛ bia na pɛ sɛ ɔde ba a obetumi afrɛ asisa line to me free online na me yad ma ya me yad mo a yesu pa yɛbɛhwɛ na yɛde nneɛma bi atoto yie yɛbɛhwɛ na yɛama nneɛma bi ayɛ nneɛma yie na yɛde yɛ no kra ne yɛde tea no kra ne yɛde yɛ adwuma me yɛ sɛ mɛka ɔma ne yɛ tampon ne yɛ great tampon asɛm ne but ma me mfa nhyɛ nyame yɛ adoma Tuesday because my bread pa serious my bread to ma me mfa nhyɛ nyame yɛ adoma Tuesday anwummerɛ metena sɛ me bi ɔm docket no na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ kakra ɔda seɛ mo a mudi atem nyinaa yɛmfa ho yɛnti obi a case yɛde no kora ne yɛka ɔde mo pa mo ni atem 1000 mo nka bibia mo pɛ me afra mi moja wu the year 2017 na me ba GH page for the me ba masa atenie na me ne na abedi matema na ye mi bibi me number ni 0549 37 77 50 number we am the amount a US for number UK, Canada, and Australia for number. Or Africa, Mr. Memphis number. Or Africa, Memphis number. Mr. Obebre. So Africa, Memphis number. What I say? Now, me had my wedding come out Tuesday. You will be at me to be after Ghana. How? Yeah, they were team or so seen you obvious. Okay, 1 John 4:4 say me mankuma mumfiri nyankopon mu wadi won so nkunim esan said you what timumu no oso sin you owiase oso sin you owiase de what timumu no eso sin you owiase 1 John 4:4 say me mankuma mumfiri nyankopon mu wadi won so nkunim esan said you what timumu no waso sin you owiase Osofo Ghana hedu anadwo a ye be si the year 2021 mu anadwo na onam community your friend say last week ran about no twa ho hia na no wa naked ne kote donda so no di twa kuro no ho hia yem prima on capture Ghana wa bra ye ya ho me kita ye no eso sen on tag osofo re friend Elisha so Kofi no obedi mabosom on can't tell some man just some few days on far some and bring me back. Also for a friend Elisha say Kofi. A fierce was nega pastor na sem na America. Mesbe also for na sem utele so for na sem na America. Abedi me so for abedi me bosom on can't tell some so am fa bosom na bra me a. Na sorry dem ho. Ena me ba abedi me bosom. Na sorry dem ho na me ba abedi me bosom. Na so dem won na me meba beje me bosom Elisha say Kofi mon to ne nkrama me na mon kan tren sem sem aboni din ne na me yad mo Tuesday on pesa me de ne niam bi be babonte a o make sure say me oba report ne ho mon kan tell Elisha say Kofi afia so asnega sofo kan tren sem sem ho mo san famra me back na me hia ho kan tren sem sem hia ho ne back to fa ho ne mrebe so feel like so say Kofi on the enche no deny the amema na hu sem me tama no ba me habagem kom chade ko dina na sorry dem me kan sem we atre obi a wuti me wo hwem the year 2020 eba 2021 Elisha say Kofi kom se odi ba o social media nyina da me me hono no obeje no okọ me dem ye kan so for some moti Ghana ha na mo kan kwase asem kire nipa ya mun ma so for mo kita e Ghana ha mun ma so for mo kita e Ghana ha mun ma so for mo kita e Ghana ha Ila iso se Kofi. One country and some say. With dear girl. The Niama way you know me, I'll make sure to bring him down. In some American in a Munaguchi. Say Munaguchi, Muni number one friend with the America. Mumi say Munaguchi. Munaguchi, I know a year, Juma or Kantanka TV. Mumisana, some American. Well, I'm going to get a Ghana house or any software, year, how minus are. Minimum was a Kofi and maybe Ghana for 1 year. Or say Kofi just came to me, Sanana, Famiko baby. Me here, I could do now the year to many banana, Miss Minnie, a fed your bread, you say, which stamina or Yamicase, or Mammy Yakase, who was off, who was off one power, say, I would add the whole year, Juma. O se awurade de wo ye adwuma wo watimi ehun se me nko wo hu wo right nsema e bana no ohye nsema e bana no odeng na me yakuma Tuesday ahini ekase ne betena se Tuesday yesu ya adma ahini ekase ne betena se Tuesday ahini ekase ne betena se o te ase Mesema pa osai Kofi asema America mu misa mu na guti mu mfre mu na guti na mu misa no me ankasa me ba mu na guti mu mfre na mu misa no mu na guti tie me no wo hwe me wonim de America o ti ase I didn't tell Ghana for us for like musuman te sa I didn't tell like mutimi di bonesa maybe some question Betia Munaguchi ni afiaso asnega. Issue afiaso asnega kakra mintie. O say Kofi issue no. Yes. Mino kasa lady bi ne sing na eguna num atutu. Ne si eguna num nyina atutu because of say Kofi nti. Lady ni si eguna num nyina atutu. Meka ho asem nyame pa Tuesday. Tuesday come meka ho asem. Me de oye sofo na o de awurade na ye adwuma me no ni asem. Me no ni problem. Oye sofo na o de awurade na ye adwuma me no ni asem. Me no ni problem. But say o de bonsam na ye adwuma na me hu say oye bonsam ni a oye bonsam sofo a me mfa ho nche oda. Oda se mfa nche oda. Ghana ya chiasie nyina da ya chiasie nyina da ya chiasie nyina da ya chiasie nyina da eya asofo ye ni wiase nsam nyina da na Ghana de bibie sunsumsam na nka mo de mo sori amo hwe osofo yi ne yobia ya o de betena TV so ene ni tiri ho o de betena social media aya hwe na nim wase ne nkwase ya wi no a no betena social media so no ye dede rough no ojimijimi ne ho no ye dede no ojimijimi ne ho no ye dede no ojimijimi ne ho na this time around so udi agro metia o social media no so because when you be man see obia onya permanent obia ye ne no matante ni mu secret mu ye be yegu abonten bia so ntimi nya hwe the year 2019 ni e be si 2020 wo so fo obi ma na kwala ni din na dikan ekofa oba bi brain sanko de ne koyade okofa oba bi brain asama me kai si kwada so potem ho na so fo ni fie bi wo kwada so area ho no musa kwada so potem ho ba bisa kwada so potem ho no so fo no na kwala ni din na di kan ko fa oba bre no minim de no de oba na koye but oba na wuro no oba na nyan me sisa twice na so fo ni tiatem hey what happened no so fo na pie ja ba ya no odem ho na woni mi de ye osofo ni pie ja abaya no odem o pie koye no na abaya ni siba bontina osofo ni watchman ka kire say hey abaya e bie pron so wonim na akọ na wusi ha biem hey wonim na wusi dam afie ha biem ene wankasa wogyegeje wo ene na wankasa wogyegeje ene ni bi abaye na abaye fa ne mpabo akitaye ene mirika bi donyame Pomrika sa, mrika, giri na ba yi tumrika, no tumrika. Wodi agrosofo be yi kuro abie kuro so atere wama. E kuro no be bie so atere no be to rumum. Wole mu jimi na mgu social media so e kan sema na mu ntiye no. Osofo pa we kura dane ne ha. Osofo pa e kura dane ha. Obie so tere wa no otomum. Osofo pa bi kuro so tere wa no otomum. Utimi nkasa bie utimi miye wa no. Obie kuro so tere wa ete se de mintuma che wada na mintuma che wada yemu no. Utimi miye wa no bi. No de why de obeye. Nokra na meka tere no. Osofo. Osofo pa. One ne girlfriend na. Obe onu onyako. Hello. Mse famisi kabrebe. Wa hwe ya be wuyantu wasi o. Famisi kabrebe. As a man of God. Te Ghana ha we nyina bi. She. Masa. Ye kadi enim o nya de obi aka kire na ye ka o. Ye kadi enim. Yes. Me se wo hu ahihwe. Se me koda na man sori a. Me koda de yetena man sori a. Enya nipa na akumi o. Nipa ntimi nkume. Enya nipa. Se wo hu ahihwe me koda na man sori a. Enya nipa na akume. Me say me papa ena de me ko. Na me wunne na me manya siefo a. Me say me papa be sie me.